guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Kim and this is Spooktober. Today I'm showing you how to do this broken doll look, which is really easy and simple and doesn't take much time at all, and it's a really quick, easy Halloween idea for last minute. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So first I'm going to start off with primer, and as always I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. As always, I've literally used this in 2 videos, but I'm going to use this because it's really good. Next I'm going to take my Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation and apply it all over the face. So now I'm going to use the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Fair Neutral and just put it under the eyes, because we're being a doll and dolls don't have bags because they're made of plastic. So I'm going to set that in place using my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in Translucent and a big fluffy brush. I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola Bronzer because it's a bit lighter than my Revolution one, and I'm just going to add a little bit of shape, but not too much, because I mean, we could be a stylish doll. And I'm going to add blush, and I'm going to use the Adeline Morin Tarte palette and the blush shade, which is this one called I Feel Beautiful, because if we're going to be a doll, we're going to feel beautiful. I'm just applying this to the apples of my cheeks. And then blending. I'm now going to use the highlight, which is called Promise Ring, and just take a teeny bit of this and kind of on the cheeks too. And above the lips. I'm doing it a bit more than usual because a doll is like plastic, so it's going to shine. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to stick with the Adeline Morin palette, and I'm going to use this shade here called Adele Angels just as a base all over the lid, and I'm going to use my finger to do that. I'm going to take this blending brush and the shade Mama Maureen. Oh, look at I'm gonna blend it. I'm gonna add a black eyeliner to this eye, if I can find it. There it is. And I'm gonna use the Too Faced sketch marker. I'm gonna do it from halfway to keep the inside of the eye more open. Add a white eyeliner to the waterline. I'm going to use NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. I'm going to lightly do this like here too. I'm now going to add like a half black line underneath and then some lash details using the same Too Faced black eyeliner. Okay, so I'm just going to add mascara and curl these lashes and then this eye should be done. I'm now going to do my brows using the Benefit brow pencil. I'm just going to fill them in as I normally would. Yeah? I don't know. Try with a capital R. Try Google it. I'm now going to add my final touches to my normal doll look, which is lipstick, and I'm going to use this Revolution liquid lipstick in the shade In Waiting. Is it pretty good? So now let's turn this doll into a broken doll. So I'm going to start off using my black eyeliner, and I'm going to create the crack that I want on her head and on the cheek. now going to take my Too Faced eyeliner again and create the cracks, and I'm going to create some thicker cracks going up into thinner ones and some thinner cracks too, just like done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It was so much fun to make, and it's such an easy and cute Halloween idea to do. And it doesn't take much technicality. Yeah. Thank you so much. I've already said that. Please like and subscribe to my channel, please, it would mean the world to me, and comment down below what you're going to be dressing up as for Halloween. So yeah, bye. Stars shining bright.